Hey everyone, Jay Shaw with Welcome Home Management, and today's topic is absolutely crucial for landlords in the Hamilton and Niagara region. Today we're going to be tackling legal compliance for landlords. We'll be covering the essential legal obligations that landlords must meet to ensure that their properties are in compliance with local regulations. So if you're a landlord in the Hamilton Niagara region or thinking about becoming one, you're in the right place. Now let's dive into it. First up is the most important thing. It's understanding local laws. The first step to compliance is knowing the rules. And in Hamilton and the Niagara region, there are specific bylaws, rent control regulations, and zoning ordinances that you must be aware of. These can vary from municipality to municipality, so be sure to research your local regulations thoroughly. Next up is licensing and permits. So depending on where your rental property is located, you may need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. This can include things like rental licenses or fire safety permits. You want to check with your local municipal government for these requirements. Rent control. Understand the rent control regulations in your area. In Ontario, and specifically Hamilton and the Niagara region, there are rent control guidelines that limit how much and how often you can increase your rent. Staying within those guidelines is essential to avoid legal issues. And proper documentation. Ensure that you have all the necessary paperwork in order. This includes lease agreements, move-in, move-out checklists, and any notices that you need to serve tenants. Keep thorough records. Keeping thorough records can protect you in case of disputes. Now let's tackle maintenance and repairs. Landlords have a legal responsibility to maintain their properties in a safe and habitable condition. Regularly inspect and address repairs promptly. Failure to do so can lead to legal consequences. And most importantly, tenant rights. Understanding the rights of your tenants. This includes their right to privacy, quiet enjoyment of the property, and protection from discrimination. Being informed about tenant rights can help you avoid legal disputes. And eviction rules. If you ever need to evict a tenant, make sure that you follow the legal eviction process outlined in the Residential Tenancies Act. There are specific rules and procedures that must be adhered to. Health and safety standards is another thing to consider. Comply with health and safety standards, especially when it comes to issues like mold, lead paint, or asbestos. Failing to address these issues can lead to serious legal consequences. And tenant screening. Be thorough in your tenant screening process, but remember to do so in accordance with the Ontario Human Rights Code. Discriminating screening practices can lead to legal troubles. And when in doubt, seek legal advice. Consult with a legal professional who specializes in landlord-tenant laws in the Hamilton-Niagara region. They can provide you with invaluable guidance to keep you on the right side of the law. Remember, compliance isn't just about avoiding legal trouble. It's also about providing a safe and fair housing experience for your tenants. Let's continue to learn and grow, and most importantly, have fun together. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions right down in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, I will see you soon in the next video.